In this video, I'm going to teach you a review of the RunBuggy. So right here, we have in here a review of RunBuggy, and you can see if it's actually a good company and service. The RunBuggy is actually something that's technology driven that connects car shippers directly with nationwide network of verified haulers. So with this, dealerships and auctions can move inventory quickly to lots of homes, can manage large-scale logistics, and ship personal vehicles for moves or online purchases. Now, let's see right here the pricing. It's actually dependent on the total distance, vehicle specs like its weight, modifications, and if it requires more space to increase the price. You can also see right here it will affect from the current demand as well as the vehicle states. So right here, the payment flow is designed for security, which is a temporary hold is placed on your card when you order, but you aren't fully charged until the car arrives. So for the shipping experience and review, the logistic of moving vehicle is actually hard. Meanwhile, the Run Buggy will find booking workflow vary slightly depending on whether you are a high volume business or individual shipper. Enterprise users, such as dealerships and auctions, integrate their management with this system, which is actually really good for them. You can secure a carrier, platform requires specific details, including the VIN, and from in there, you can track and also provide proof of your pickup and delivery. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.